Well, thanks for inviting us. I'd love to talk to you about Twiki. We are with Twiki Incorporated, a privately held company in Silicon Valley. We're excited about what we're talking about here at Enterprise 2.0. Just by way of introductions, I'm Jitendra Kavathekar. I'm the president and CEO of the company. I have with me Milind.
I'm Milind Pansare. I'm the VP of Marketing at Twiki.
We're really excited about a few things, and I think from the response that we're getting from folks attending, it's just been great feedback, and we're learning a lot. We're learning a lot from the other exciting vendors and a lot of exciting products out here. We're glad to be a part of it. Let me first start by saying that when we look at Enterprise 2.0, we do see fundamental shifts that are going on in the industry. Within the enterprise, moving from Enterprise 1.0 to 2.0, there's just been some fundamental shifts that are going on, and the incumbents in the form of SAP and IBM and Microsoft, Oracle, are all getting very active to try to keep up with Enterprise 2.0.
I'd say so. I think what we're seeing is there's a whole bunch of new innovators that have come in the space and have really introduced new concepts. There are a great number of concepts that are coming to us from my experience in the consumer world, where we all use Facebook and Twitter, and those are changing the ways that we are working at work. So there's an expectation of new forms of interaction in the enterprise.
It's a great source of inspiration for enterprise software with enterprise social networking. And you see companies like Jive and Social Text that have really developed some great competencies around enterprise social networking. New companies like Cubetree are up and coming as well. But we see enterprise social networking as one piece of the puzzle, and that is one of the trends. Another part of this is, at the end of the day, Enterprise 2.0 is about collaboration between people and between teams. But it's not just about the social element of collaboration that enterprise social networking gives you. Collaboration in the enterprise is still about getting work done, getting normal collaboration business patterns done. And at an abstract level, two people try to get a project done together, they try to get a release done together, they try to get a sales account done together and close together. And trying to implement that in a form of a workflow, or what we call enterprise collaboration patterns, is really where we're focusing. So we're adding the element of collaboration patterns within a workspace that also gives you the enterprise social networking. It's the value add that we're providing here that we think is differentiated from the other players.
I mean, the way I look at it is, besides the normal things where you follow people just because they write interesting blogs, or you discover something through your peripheral vision that sounds interesting, you also have people at work that you do not know, but you absolutely must work with. And that's what this technology brings to market with enterprise collaboration patterns, discovering people you really need to work with.
In addition to that, and the types of business patterns that you want to get done within the enterprise are business patterns that come from existing enterprise assets that are within the company. Inventory management systems, HR systems, and other IT systems are still relevant. We're not talking about ripping or replacing those technologies. What we're really talking about is adding the E2.0 or collaborative veneer around those. And the era that we're walking into, and I think you'll see it in a lot of the smaller companies, including us, is really about partnering services and technologies to create a collaboration federation for the particular enterprise of interest. In fact, we'd like to talk about it as the enterprise operating system of the future, where it's a combination of technology, it's a federated technology base, as well as cultural shifts and leadership shifts on how to use those technologies in a more collaborative way.
Right, and to that point, I'm glad to announce that just today we inked a partnership with Box.net, where we are going to be integrating with the Box.net service and providing a really cost-effective way for people to do collaboration across the enterprise, and also get access to really high quality and simple to use document sharing services from Box.net. So that's an example of the partnerships that Jeet was talking about.
Yeah, absolutely. The partnerships, and this is one of many that we're going to come to market with over the next few quarters. Another thing that we're very interested about is collaboration as it relates to how governments use collaborative tools. U.S. government has, we're engaged with U.S. government agencies and trying to solve situational problems that require multiple agencies to work together to quickly quickly solve those problems, and literally life and death situations that are going on. But one of the other things that we're introducing today is a relationship, a partnership with the Chinese Academy of Sciences. Chinese Academy of Sciences is a large apparatus of the Chinese government. They're focused on technology. They are the major investors of most technology companies within China, and they will be a distributor of Twiki technologies to those portfolio companies, but also as a distributor of Twiki technology into the Chinese government, precisely to allow different agencies within the Chinese government to interact with each other. And we're very excited about it. And when you talk to the chairman and folks in the Politburo about collaboration in China, it's a completely different form than what we know collaboration today, and that's where we feel the power of our platform comes in, because it's highly customizable. We are not trying to shove a culture down somebody's throat. We're really providing a tool set to enable others to create that collaboration platform or that Enterprise 2.0 operating system, allow them to add their own culture and their own ways of collaborating together.
Yeah, I'd say it's really a very interesting step for us to be chosen as the collaboration technology to go into China. It's a big step. It's a big step. It's a mutually exclusive relationship that we have, and I think it's going to be very, very, very interesting, and it's going to bring new facets and new technologies that will suggest themselves to our engineering team as we open up our minds and look beyond the way we just collaborate in the organizations here. So we are really looking forward to this as a great learning experience and as a way to improve our product even more.
So come by our website, www.twiki.net. Come by our open source website, www.twiki.org. Get to know about what we're all about, and you can get a free product demonstration from us as well. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Okay, well, thanks for talking to us today.